Hello, I'm just going to go over real quick my Enhancement 1 project here. For starters, we have my template page, and it just mimics the design that you had on our instructions here, and it has the same functionality. Let's see, we'll go to the home page. We'll start with the mobile view. So this is my mobile view. As you can see, all the content fits on the page when you open it, so you don't have to scroll to the side to see any content. Still has the same functionality. Reviews sit on top of recipes. Yeah, everything seems to look about like the example did. Go down, there's the end of the footer there. And then if we take it off mobile view, you can see that it is responsive. Everything kind of moves around. Still has the same functionality there. Recipes floats left, and the reviews float to the right. The only thing I had an issue with on this assignment was getting this area here to stay in one location. Couldn't figure out how to get it to stay at one spot over the image, so when you resize it's gonna go all over the place. I have it absolutely positioned. I know that's probably the wrong way to do it, but couldn't really figure that out. But otherwise everything else went pretty smoothly. So I'm going to go ahead and validate my HTML and CSS. So this is HTML validation. It's green. And CSS validation, which is also green. So, yep, that about sums it up. Thank you for watching.